Hello, I'm Priscilla Archangel, and my leadership insight for you today is it doesn't have to be lonely at the top. Recently, a client said to me, "It's lonely at the top." And this person was feeling the weight of making major decisions that affect their company, their customers, employees, and shareholders. These are decisions that often must be made without clear or complete information. Stakeholders might criticize them, and the impact may not be understood for months or years to come. And this is the life of CEOs, presidents, COOs, and any other leader at the top of the organization chart. They are in very visible roles, the object of great scrutiny and criticism, also compliments and awards. There's rarely an off button in their 24/7 schedules. Instead, there's a constant sacrifice of personal time and unending requests to accomplish more in their positions. It's common for these leaders to talk about missing their children's events, not taking all of their allotted time off, multitasking on business calls during family vacations, working through the weekend, and more. And it's lonely at the top because until you sit in their seat, you can't fully appreciate the weight of the role, the physical, emotional, and mental demands, and the everyday challenges in accomplishing the goals of the organization. If you're in one of these leadership roles, it's important to use a variety of approaches to achieve greater balance. Here are some tips. First, find a mentor, someone who has held a similar role in the past, who understands the environment, can provide insights on how to achieve greater balance, and share their approaches to challenges. Find a coach, someone to partner with in improving leadership skills, managing complex situations, setting goals, and ensuring professional growth. Join a group of sitting CEOs. Peer learning groups can be effective in providing feedback, asking key questions, and providing a supportive environment to leaders with similar responsibilities. Find advisors. Think of leaders whose expertise you respect, who may have provided valuable perspectives in the past. Identify trusted team members, one or two people who report to you, who you trust to give you transparent but respectful feedback. Nurture relationships with trusted friends, and these are people who keep you grounded. They provide balance. They have a broad appreciation of the demands of your role. Prioritize family members. Now, hopefully you've nurtured these relationships for years, and you continue to find ways to be present for them and meet their needs and show mutual value. Read and learn. As the business, political, and global environments continue to shift, so must your knowledge of competitive threats and opportunities. Journal. This is a time for reflection, improving self-awareness, and prioritizing every aspect of your life. All leaders need a truth teller, someone who is able and willing to speak into their life and tell them when they're off base or need to rethink what they're doing. Truth tellers reflect the leader's beliefs and behaviors back to them, and these approaches provide the environment for this to happen. The goal is to create a sense of community for leaders to feel more supported and to experience growth as they manage a myriad of stakeholder expectations. Because left unchecked, loneliness translates into inappropriate behaviors, insular decisions and communications, and can show a need to improve emotional intelligence. But building community strengthens leaders' capabilities and capacity because it doesn't have to be lonely at the top. Thanks for listening.